In this video, we'll see what is an abstract method and abstract class in Python. As you can see, I have listed out some of the main points for creating the abstract method and abstract class. We'll simultaneously look into these points as well as we'll look into the coding part. So we'll start off by importing ABC. So importing ABC here. So here ABC is nothing but abstract base class. To create an abstract class and abstract method, we require this import. So from this import, we have to import two other modules, which are from ABC import capital ABC, abstract method. So capital ABC and abstract method, we will discuss this while coding. Now let's look into this. What is an abstract class? Abstract class, if any class has at least one abstract method, then we call it as abstract class. And these abstract class can have abstract methods. So an abstract class consists of at least one abstract method. If it doesn't contain any abstract method, it is not called as abstract class. It is rather called as concrete class. Okay. So a class should contain at least one abstract method, then we call it as abstract class. And these abstract class can have abstract methods. So what is an abstract method? Abstract method is a declaration of method and hiding the implementation part. So we'll see these two now, abstract class and abstract method. So let me create a class A. So to define this class as an abstract class, we'll be using round brackets and we'll give it as ABC. So now this class is an abstract class. So ABC will convert a normal class into an abstract class. So that is our abstract class. So once you have created the abstract class, we'll definitely have at least one abstract method. So we'll create a method here, def method 1. So what is an abstract method? Abstract method is nothing but it's a method declaration. We are not defining this method. We are just declaring this method. So we have to give def method 1 and we have to give self here. And we are just passing it. We are not writing the logic for this method 1 because abstract method is nothing but we are just declaring this method. We are not defining it. So that is what abstract method is. Abstract method is a declaration of method and hiding the implementation part. So we are not implementing this inside this abstract class. We are not implementing the logic for method 1 inside this abstract class. Rather, we will be using this method 1 implementation in another class or a child class. So we'll see that. So let me declare this method as abstract method using a decorator. So at the rate is nothing but a decorator keyword. So we'll write this abstract method which I have imported from ABC module. Abstract method. So now this is an abstract class which has an abstract keyword. Sorry, abstract method. So now we'll create another class P. So here we have declared a method here. To implement this method, we'll be using another class. Okay, and here we'll be using the concept of inheritance. So to inherit all the attributes or properties of A into B. So we'll give round brackets here. So this is an inheritance concept. We'll normally import like this. Okay. So now, we have imported it, and now we have to define this method. Okay, we have to implement this method. Whatever the method we have given in the abstract class, we have to implement it in derived class. This is a derived class. So def method 1, I'll copy that and I'll paste it here. We are just overriding the method. So I'll print this is method 1 from abstract class. Okay. So now we'll create an object. So per which class we have to create the object? We will create the object for class B, because abstract class doesn't support any object creation. As you can see here, if any class is abstract, object cannot be created. So we cannot create an object for abstract class. So if a class is a concrete, object can be created. So what is a concrete class? This is a concrete class. Concrete in the sense which has all the methods defined, that is called as a concrete class. And this is an abstract class. So that is the difference between abstract and concrete. Using the concrete, we'll be creating the object. So let's say I have b1 equal to a, and now I'll use b1 variable dot, and we'll define method 1. It is giving me the suggestions here, method 1. And if I try to run it, let me give Python. Okay, let me run it here. Okay, this is method 1 from abstract class. So this method, which is in the abstract class, is overridden by a derived class. Okay, and it is printing out this is a method 1 from abstract class. Okay, so now let me create another class, which is class C, and let me declare this as abstract class. So this is now, as of now, this is a concrete class, but I want to declare this as abstract. Let me declare this as abstract by just giving a comma and ABC. That's it. This class is an abstract class now, and we'll declare the method as abstract as well. Abstract method. Using the decorator, we'll be declaring this method as abstract method. So now let me try to run this. It will certainly give me an error, because we cannot create the object for abstract class. So that is the reason it is giving me the error. So now we'll create another class, and here I'll be inheriting the B. C round brackets and B. And here I'll define the method 1, self print. This method is this is a method 1 from class B. Okay, so here I have to remove the body of this method, because abstract method is just a declaration, and I'll pass none here. Okay, now we'll create an object for C, and let me run it. It will definitely work. As you can see here, this is method 1 from class B is working. So this is how we can create abstract classes and abstract methods in Python. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubts or any things you didn't understand, post your comments on the comment section. So this is all about abstract method. Thank you for watching.